Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're gonna do a old school rave look 2002, 2003, and we're gonna start with this guy here. He's wearing a chunky choker and these links as a necklace. This is something my husband used to do all the time back in the day. Wear these as a necklace, or you could use them as a pants chain. Decked out visor and a graphic tee. Kandi fat pants and a chain, and then a decked out visor, another graphic tee, choker, a thick necklace like this with a toy, pom-poms, stuffed animal, lots of candy, and UFOs. So I think this might be my last video for a while, if you guys want more of these videos, let me know. But yeah, this is what a raver would look like in the early 2000s. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you next time.